Hey guys, Emmy here, and I'm going to show you how to give an awesome leg massage. That's right, we're going to do the upper, the lower, the full leg. So go ahead and grab a partner and do exactly what I'm doing to them. They're going to love you for it. If you don't have a partner handy, just go ahead and favorite this video. When you get a partner handy, do exactly what I do. Let's get started. Alright, so if you got your partner good and ready, I like to just do one leg at a time, that way they don't freeze and have both legs exposed. So I'll show you how to do one leg. And we're just gonna get that oil going. It's the big muscle right here, big muscle groups. Actually, there's lots of muscles in the leg. So you want to make sure to have some oil so you can separate them and get to them, of course. So I just like to do, you know, full up and down. I try to stay clear of the back of the knee, not, you know, the push in that area. Lots of nerves, lots of veins. So try to stay around the knee, on the outside and the back. Come over, and of course, it's okay if you go over it, but you want to try to steer clear for the most part of pushing real hard on the back of there. There's a lot of circulation that goes to the back of the knee. So we're going to rub, get the muscles in the legs warmed up. I like to start on the big group first, the upper part of the leg. So, what I like to do is make a fist, and I'm going to use this part of my fist. We're going to start all the way down here and work our way around. So, start right there, and we're going to just push into the side. Of course, this is where your IT band runs, so it might be a little bit painful, but it's good for you. We're going to go all the way up and just working our way over inch by inch. Ladies, if you have your men do this too, it's a very good way to get rid of cellulite. But you don't have any, so you're lucky. Go over it one more time. I like to just do one leg at a time, that way they don't freeze and have both legs.
תגיד, זה לא נורא חזק? אותי הוא פרק. תכף תראה, המוח שלך יעוף.
טוב,
לא, הגבות קופצות לך.
מה?
זה טוב לשורשים, יוני.
שמה?
זה יחזק לך את השורשים. אם לוקח את זה לא נורא כואב?
לא, זה לא נורא. כי הוא לא יצמח לשיער.
כן.
Maybe my hair will start growing.